Good morning students, welcome back. Today we will learn that why temperature remain constant during melting and boiling. That means when we heat ice, it start melting. But if we measure the temperature of ice and water, both the values remain same. No change in temperature is noticed. What could be the reason of this? Instead of supplying continuously heat, where does the heat energy goes? That we will learn today. Temperature remain constant during melting and boiling of matter. When we start heating any substance and the solid substance fuse to melt or liquid substance start vaporization, at that point also the temperature of the substance remains same. Why? Because the heat energy which we are providing to that substance is not used to raise the temperature, but that heat energy is used to overcome the force of attraction. The particles which were very close in case of solid, when we provide heat to them, those particles get apart from each other, get far from each other, and that is due to providing heat. The heat which we are providing to the substance is used to overcome the force of attraction, and thus from solid the substance get changed into liquid. Its state change, but its temperature remain constant. So here heat energy supplied during melting and boiling of a substance remain in hidden form. That heat do not raise the temperature of the substance. And this type of heat is called latent heat or silent heat. It is in hidden form. Although continuously heat is supplied, but no change in the temperature is observed because the heat provided here is used to overcome the force of attraction, and that is why it is called as latent heat or silent heat. Now, depending upon nature of process, there are two type of latent heat. Before we start latent heat, let us first go through that what is the definition of latent heat. Latent heat is defined as the amount of heat required to change 1 kilogram of matter into another state. That means from solid to liquid or liquid to gas. So the amount of heat required to change 1 kilogram of matter into another state without changing its temperature, because temperature remain constant. So the amount of heat required to change 1 kilogram of substance into another state without changing its temperature is called its latent heat. Depending upon nature of process, there are two kinds of latent heat. One is latent heat of fusion and another is latent heat of evaporation. First, we will talk about latent heat of fusion. So, once we come to know about latent heat, let us start to know what is latent heat of fusion. And for this, we will start with one example. You may have observed when you keep one piece of ice cube on your hand or 0 degrees Celsius water on your palm, which makes you feel more cool. When we put some ice cubes on palm and water at 0 degree Celsius, the ice cube cause more cooling sensation. We feel more cool from ice cube as compared to water at 0 degrees Celsius. Now the question arises, what could be the reason for this? Both the substance are at 0 degrees Celsius, then why we feel more cooler with ice cube compared to the 0 degrees Celsius water? Here reason is that ice cube take more heat as compared to water at 0 degrees Celsius. Because some extra heat is required to melt the ice, and this extra amount of heat is called its latent heat of fusion, which is in hidden form. Because ice is in solid state, that solid state will get changed into liquid state when it will absorb heat from the surrounding. When we will keep the ice cube on our palm, that ice cube will gain heat energy from our palm and from surrounding. And by gaining heat energy, it will change its state. Temperature will not change. Temperature will remain fixed. Temperature of ice cube before we put it on our palm and after we put it on our palm, the temperature of the ice cube will remain same. Only the change take place that when it is kept on our palm, it will gain heat from the surrounding, and by gaining heat from the surrounding, it will change its state from solid to liquid. Because the heat which is gained from the surrounding will used to overcome the force of attraction. And here the substance changed from solid to liquid. This is called the latent heat of fusion. What is latent heat of fusion? The amount of heat required to change 1 kilogram of solid into liquid state at atmospheric pressure without changing its temperature. So due to this latent heat of fusion, we experience more cool effect from ice than 0 degrees Celsius water. Coming to next definition, latent heat of vaporization. As we have learned about latent heat of fusion, similarly, latent heat of vaporization is also defined as the amount of heat required to change 1 kilogram of liquid into gaseous state at atmospheric pressure without changing temperature. Once again, the amount of heat required to change 1 kilogram of liquid into gaseous state at atmospheric pressure without changing its temperature.